Who is my master? I want to know. My last one was abusive. She let me go. On the auction block, nobody bids. If I don't sell, I'll be living in the lion's ribs. Lion's ribs, in the lion's ribs, in the lion's ribs, in the lion's ribs. I'm getting older, that no one can use. I'll go with anybody, but I can't pick and choose. Where is humanity? I want to see. Born into slavery, I only know what I believe. The rain is heavy, more than metal. It can tear and slowly wear a mountain right down. Tears, the rain is there. Wash or gouge, float or just drown. The rain is heavy, more than rock. Wash to pebbles and then sand dry as dust.
Here, jump in. Get out of the rain. How you doing? My name is Johnny Truckington. Sit right in, man. Get out of the rain. You shouldn't be walking out there.
Thanks. Hey, my name is Ryan. What's your name?
Name's Johnny Truckington. Have you heard of me?
No.
You will now. Anyway, the weather out there is pretty tough, ain't it?
Yeah.
Where you heading?
I'm not sure. Just about 100 miles back that way is where I'm from, and I don't want to go back.
Then you know what? You put your thumb up for the right trucker. 'Cause I'm getting the hell out of here and I'm going far, going to the other coast. What do you say?
Sounds good to me.
Alright, well anyway, so... Yeah, I've been out here trucking all my life. And, it's been good to me, but I've had a lot of... Like one time I picked up a hitchhiker. It didn't go too well.
Yeah? What do you mean?
Well, let's just say, by the time I got done with him, he would never hitchhike again.
Shit.
I tell you, it's crazy for me to go and pick up hitchhikers because, you never know what you guys have planned. We don't know if you're serial killers or what,
But it's also the same way on the other side. I mean, how do I know you're not some murdering trucker? Because think about it.
True.
Yeah,
It's true because we got everything. We could kill you, right? Put you back in the car, go drop you off in another state. Take off, hit the highway. You're right. But don't worry about it. I'm not a serial killer. I'm Johnny Truckington.
Cool. Yeah, me. I'm a struggling musician and having problems getting notoriety, but
Yeah.
And I do unusual music, but I thought maybe there's even a little niche area for me that I can gain people to listen to, but it's just not happening, and I had enough of that town. That town is on the ground back there.
Town is on the ground? What's that mean?
Town is on the ground, like the ground is zero, and I want to walk all over that ground, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah, I see, yeah. Yeah, I come from a town that's on the ground, too. You know what they did? The high school I used to attend, they turned the whole town into a nuclear practice zone for nuclear bombing, and they blew up my old high school that I attended. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
Well, what are you gonna do? It's the government. You know how they are. They're just, they're gonna do what they gotta do. Whatever. But I'm a patriotic. How about you?
Yeah, definitely patriotic as I can be. I try to be anyway. I definitely want things to work out for our country.
Yeah, right. But anyway, so yeah, I got this cargo. I'm carrying a whole bunch of crates full of American flags.
Really?
Yeah. Delivering that to Washington, D.C., and then from there I'm heading out west. You good with that? Because I don't mind having company. Yeah, we might pick up a few dames along the way.
I'm not even thinking of things like that. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Aren't they dirty out there?
Dirty? Yeah, wear a rubber.
It's true. I don't have any.
Hey, I got a whole box. About 3 months ago, I delivered a whole Trojan factory. I did. I had 2 loads going down the road, bringing these new Trojans, ribbed for her pleasure, ×2. But they didn't make it on the market. They were testing an area in San Francisco, and over in that area, and I obviously didn't make it because it's not national. News came down the wire that they're not going to make it a national product. It just didn't pass whatever specs and whatever they do.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. But anyway, shit. You ever listen to Wrong Radio?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, here, let's put some of that on for a while. Hey, you say you got a smoke?
Sure.
Hey, let's light up. But yeah. Oh, yeah. Thanks. Here, I got a cigarette lighter right in here in the truck. Anyway, so Yeah, I can, for miles and miles and days, I can listen to the wrong radio show. Those guys are crazy over there.
Yeah. I tried to get my music on there, and again, turned down. And I've been trying all my life to make music, and it's just like nobody cares.
Yada, yada, yada. You know, hey, I'm playing a violin. No, listen, I'm only kidding. Maybe your problem is maybe wear a different shirt. You know, you got stains and rips on your shirt, okay? Change your image. Sometimes everybody says image is everything. That might be true.
Yeah, I guess. Okay. I tried changing the image, and I was told I looked unhealthy.
Yeah. I don't know what that means, but, you know. Say, listen, I'm gonna smoke this cigarette because it's been a few miles since I had one, and thanks for it.
Oh, yeah, no problem, man. I actually have a carton in my backpack.
Hey, I'm not gonna smoke that much, but we're gonna put on the wrong radio show and just turn this son of a bitch right up.
Yeah, man, definitely. Turn it up and rock.
Yeah, you know what I like to say is rock out with your rooster out. Yeah.
That was funny, man.
Yeah, I thought of that myself.